So when it comes to fixing the foggy, hazy headlights, there's two ways of doing it. Majority of the time, probably 99% of the time, it's gonna have to be wet sanded, removed all that debris, all that haziness, the chalkiness, all that's gonna have to be removed and brought back down to a uniform finish. You're gonna remove that clear coat that is actually on the lenses, and that's what's deteriorating. And it's from the heat from the lamp, everything that's getting thrown at it while it's on the road, the sunlight just beating the snot out of it, and it's deteriorating it. And that's when you start getting that haziness and everything. The odds of you actually being able to just do a light polishing or something and be able to save that clear coat that is on the polycarbonate lenses, like I said, 99% of the time, you're going to be sanding them down. And there's a lot of guys that do that. They'll polish it and they'll put something on there. And what they fail to tell you is that they're going to see you again in 6 months, because it's going to fail. It's not going to last. It's not going to hold up. So think about what the front end of your vehicle is dealing with every day when you're driving it. The heat from the lights, the sunlight, debris getting thrown at it. A paint sealant or something that's designed to only last like 6 months on the paintwork isn't going to last a heartbeat on the headlights, and it's going to start to deteriorate, and you're going to be back in 6 months. Majority of the time, 99% of the time, you are going to be wet sanding it, getting it back down to uniform finish, getting all that crap off of that headlight, and again, getting it back down to a uniform finish, and then re-clearing it. It's the only correct way to do it, and it's the only way that's going to do it that's going to last. So don't fall for it. Get it done the right way, or at least go to somebody that knows what they're doing and can guide you on the right path. I'll talk to you soon.